Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make African-style collard greens using an easy method. First, select about 2 pounds of fresh collard greens. Wash them well under cold water to remove any dirt or grit. Next, carefully remove the tough central stems from each leaf. Then, stack the leaves and chop them into roughly 1-inch pieces. Finally, mince 1 medium onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. Now, let's build our flavor base. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add the chopped onion, minced garlic, and ginger to the hot oil. Sauté these aromatics for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until they become soft and fragrant. This step is crucial for developing a deep, rich flavor. Next, stir in 1 teaspoon of curry powder and a half teaspoon of red pepper flakes for a gentle warmth. Once your aromatics are fragrant, it's time for the greens. Add all the chopped collard greens to the pot. It might seem like a lot, but they will cook down significantly. Stir them well, allowing them to wilt slightly. Then, pour in 1 cup of vegetable broth. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Cover the pot and let the greens simmer gently for 30 to 45 minutes or until they are wonderfully tender. After simmering, your collard greens should be tender and flavorful. Give them a taste and adjust any seasonings, adding more salt, pepper, or a pinch of red pepper flakes if desired. These African-style collard greens are fantastic served warm as a side dish with your favorite main course. They also pair wonderfully with rice or a hearty stew. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.